Yo, what's up, guys? This week we are at Baden Lake. I actually have my brother here with me today, Lou. He has a YouTube channel too. I believe it's Just Lewis No Clark. I'll link it down at the bottom. We usually don't get days off together, but today's actually his day off, and I actually took the day off to prepare for our brother's annual trip this weekend. So I figured since we have today off, we'll do a little fishing before we go on our trip. But yeah, guys, we are at Baden Lake. They should be out here chasing bait, but we're not 100% sure. So we're just gonna go with the flow and see what we can do, guys. Stay tuned, and hopefully we don't skunk. Ooh, you got him? Oh, shoot. Did he come up? Oh, he's still on? He's still on? Oh, dang. What the heck? Dang, that was like right up on that wall.
Yeah, dude.
Right?
Yeah, they're right on the wall, bro.
Look at that. You need net?
Oh, there's a decent sized one too, bro.
I got a net if you need one.
Oh, shit. I think I'll be alright.
I need to get a bigger net. Stick up a kayak net.
Thanks, dude.
Woo, look at that.
Yeah,
all right, size, man.
First fish of the day, okay.
Shoo.
So, I was popping it, but because your boat was moving, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I was just like reeling slack. So pretty much the first pop when I was able to get enough slack in.
Yeah, yeah.
And I finally hit it that time. And he hit it.
Oh, so you kind of let it sit for a second.
Yeah, let it sit for a little bit, but on that wall.
That dude is right up on that wall, y'all.
Okay, buddy.
So what, 2.5-ish?
Yeah, welcome to the boat, man.
Yeah, all right. Good catch, man.
Okay.
I might need to tie on the shallow blow.
Yeah, bro. Put on a popper, just let it sit there and just pop.
Maybe got something going on.
You know, if it's cloudy like this too, this might be a good bite all day if it's
Yeah.
if it stays cloudy.
Straight up top water all day.
Yep.
Your wife is coming. Dang, another one?
Yeah, bro.
Look at you. What the heck? Shoot, dude. Look at you, man. Maybe you need to get a boat, bro.
I don't know, man.
You do.
The standing up part.
Oh.
You used to standing up, bro.
You're doing pretty good, bro. Oh, shoot, look at that.
Maybe it is that chartreuse color. It's got a little green on it.
Look at Lou with another one. We've only been on the water for like 20 minutes.
Number 2.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, bro.
Where you put it last?
Alright.
In your bag. I'm still trying to get a top water bite. Catching up, man. Come on, buddy.
Telling you, sometimes you gotta put it down, man.
Come on. Just one top water, then I'll put it down. Oh!
There you go, man.
That dude came up.
Give up on that top water bite, yo.
I was looking at your cast.
Bro, you in there?
Woo, shoot.
Yeah.
I was looking at your cast and I was like, this guy like freaking came up and smacked it.
Yeah, like.
All right. Little guy to start off the day. All right. Still gotta catch up with Lou.
Let's go, baby.
Thank you, sir. You? Way in the docks.
Okay.
Chả thon rồi. You fighting rồi hả?
He's angry, man. You that?
No, he's small. Fighting hard though. This is different from the kayak.
Oh, bro.
Get up in here.
Break that tip, man. Jeez, dude.
It's a strong rod.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, right. Shit.
Way too
Oh, shoot. All right. This guy was in the docks.
nice.
Between that sea-doo and the dock, little guy. Number 2. All right, buddy. Thanks.
Okay.
On that wall, dude. On that wall, baby.
I'm on the freaking
You on the duck line?
whatever that line is.
On that wall. As soon as it hit the wall, he ate it. All right. Little tiny wall fish.
There you go.
You get it? No?
Yeah, no, don't keep more cast in there first.
Huh?
Don't keep more cast.
You sure?
Don't go to the wall yet.
Oh shoot! Wallfish, baby. Hey.
Yeah, when that hole get in.
Wallfish, baby. Woo. Oh man. All right. Oh my goodness. That's funny. That's so funny. That wallfish, baby. Woo. All right, another one on that wall. Woo. Thank you, sir. Looks like a big old rock right there. I know, right? It's lunchtime, man. Lunchtime? Lunchtime. Oh no!
Bro, lunchtime, but I missed it. What the?
Lunchtime. Oh, dude. It was, dude. Shoot. What the heck?
I don't know, man.
What happened, dude?
That was a fish. For sure.
Oh, what happened, bro? Lunchtime. What the heck? Oh, he's still on.
What?
He's still on. Shoot. I was like, what the heck? The man.
Oh, you got it?
I was like, what the heck? I think he was swimming right towards me, dude.
That was a weak fish.
I know it was. I was like, shh, and I'm like, it was all slack, dude. After that, and I'm like, what the heck?
You still got him.
Oh, he must have had it deep down in his throat.
Yep.
I probably pulled it out, and then he still had it in his mouth.
Yeah.
Whew.
That's trying to come out.
All right, another one. That guy was in the docks. Whew, that was such a weak hook set. I think he was swimming right towards me though. All right, bud, thanks. Boy. Yeah. She done.
Oh, yo, they want that jig, man.
Machine gunning yourself? They machine gunning you?
Say what?
Like they're shooting the machine gun at you?
Yeah, well, no. Oh, yo, they want that jig, bro.
It's that jig, man.
It's a jig. Oh my god. Nice.
They think it is a jig.
It's a jig. It's a red, man.
Alright, buddy.
Nice.
You got a jig, bro?
I ain't bringing a jig.
Whew.
Yo,
Oh, let's get it.
I look at this thing red.
Must be that jig.
It's a jig, bro.
Alright. On that wall again.
Yeah.
They are stacked on this wall. It's that jig.
It's a jig. Nice. Alright. My turn.
It's the jig, baby.
It's a jig. A jig bite.
All right.
Nice, dude.
All right. Another jig bite.
Good one right there.
All right. They don't hit that. It's probably gonna be that orange combination.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh, that is a bite.
It's the trailer, bro.
It's the trailer.
It's in the trailer.
It's the trailer. Look at that.
Bro, it's the trailer. As soon as I swap the trailer, man. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, man.
For some reason, it's that trailer, bro.
Yeah.
And now I'm just slowly moving, man, and I didn't even know. It was tight. No moving.
Okay, last gas. Yeah, that's pretty good, yeah.
Oh, in the rain too?
Bad at all.
Yeah, not bad, man. No fish finder.
No fish finder. All right, guys. I didn't even shoot an outro out on the water. It was raining pretty good on us. I mean, it's still raining right now. We had a pretty good day today. I caught a total of 6 or 7 fish. I think Lou caught like 5 or 4 or something like that. But man, it was definitely fun today. We were probably the only guys that were out there fishing. We did see like another 2 or 3 boats out there, but they didn't seem like they were actually fishing. So it was definitely fun today, guys. Hopefully Lou and I get back together and fish again. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you guys.